my job is to come in and say, gosh, I know that pink bathroom is bugging you, but what is that?
It's a fucking earthquake.
Is it? Oh my gosh.
You feel that shit?
Yes, I do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I've never felt an earthquake before.
Yes, you have in Glens Falls.
I did?
Once. Are we still filming?
Yeah.
Great.
Seems to be going away, but I still feel it.
Me too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, you want to know something funny? The one time there was an earthquake in Glens Falls, I was in my bedroom, and all of a sudden the room started to shake, and I went, James, stop it! That was you.
That's funny. Wow, that was crazy.
That was an earthquake.